Welcome to the world of possibilities. Hello friends, a unique concept which you can start with just 600 rupees and can earn up to millions of income, in which company provides you both working and non-working income. Yes my friends, today we are discussing about a brand new business opportunity named as RIMS, from where you can achieve your all financial goals with superb income. My dear friends, we are discussing about a RIM concept, and this is one of the best legal, reliable and profitable plan in the world. It is 100% centralized concept in which you got fast and quick payment and can earn a lot of income. Friends, today we are discussing about a unique plan who grows in market very rapidly. So friends, RIMS is the best centralized concept, and if you want to check the legality of the company, so you can simply log into company's website www.rims.io. Friends, if we talk about the joining amount of this concept, so you can join this wonderful business opportunity with just 600 rupees. Out of them, 200 rupees invest to RIMS X3 slot, 200 rupees invest to RIMS X4, and last 200 rupees invest to Smart X4 system. My dear friends, here RIMS provides you total 14 types of packages in both X3 and X4 slot. Starts from 200 rupees and it goes up to 16,48,400 rupees. Friends, you can choose any one package and can start earning income via working or via non-working slot. And also my friend, there are 14 types of packages in non-working slot from 200 rupees to 16,48,400 rupees. And in Smart X4 program, company provides you special type of income that we discuss in plan briefly. So friends, you can earn a lot of income through non-working slot. So friends, firstly we discuss about the amazing income of this concept, that is RIMS X3 income. So after you're joining in RIMS, whenever the first referral partner take place below you, the 100% payment goes to your wallet. Same as whenever the second referral partner take place below you, the 100% payment goes to your wallet. And when the third partner take place below you, friends, you again receive 100% income, but in the form of free invest. It means the 100% income of this joining goes to your immediate upline, and your ID will be upgraded again for this slot. So friends, in X3 slot, your investment gives you 2 times return and your ID will be upgraded. It means you can earn multiple income again and again from this slot. Whenever you direct 3 person, the 200 rupees from the first 2 referral goes to your wallet, and with third ID income, your ID will be upgraded, which is superb system. So friends, let me tell you about the RIMS X4 program, in which 100% auto spill system comes from left to right, organized from company. There may be at least all of you invited, at least not invited by you, or mixed, and it is fully non-working income. Partners who take place below you in the first line are 2 places in the second line of the hire. 100% payment goes to your superior upline. Friends, you also receive income from the second line. Out of 4 people in second line, the 100% payment of first 3 people instantly goes to your wallet, and the last payout is the closing slot, and it also makes a reinvest, buying you the same slot again, and the payment of 100% is transferred to the automatics matrix. So it is really wonderful income. My dear friends, now discuss about the RIMS amazing Smart X4 program that also works for you. We are building a team together. There may be at least all of you invited, at least not invited by you, or mixed. Friends, in Smart X4 system, ID will be placed on the top. That means when ID will be reinvest, it goes to upline. In Smart X4 system, working automatic and pool also by automatic. And if by anyone, your pool income will be started. And friends, also in this system, you receive 10% sponsor income like RIMS X4 income. Yes my friends, here RIM distribute 10% direct sponsor income. It means you got 10% direct income on your every joining. There will be no capping friends. You can do unlimited direct and can earn unlimited income. Now let me tell you about the terms and conditions of the company. My dear friends, RIMS is the best centralized concept in which you don't have to wait for your withdrawal. Daily withdrawal is available. Company provides you 24/7 hours regular customer service. Minimum withdrawal should be of 400 rupees. ID should be paid and registered by applying. Profile will be updated only once, and you have to direct at least 2 persons. So my friends, Streams is the best smart contract plan. Join fast and fast this concept. And if you have any query about this concept, how to registration, how to activate ID, so simply call on the number shared in front of your screen. So sure friends, let's meet in the next video. Till that, stay safe and stay healthy.